Which juice? Apple or island punch?
No, down.
Nurse to calm down for a little bit. And stay in the lines. Okay. What happened? What happened?
My face.
What happened to your face?
I started going my face.
What went in your face? What went in your face?
No, I'm not itching. No, that kind of looks like a kiss.
Kind of looks like a kiss.
Yeah, I just have to wipe my face.
Wipe your face too.
Yeah,
Okay. It's good.
yeah, that one.
Oh, okay. That's better.
Yes, but
Alright. You gonna eat some porridge this morning?
yeah,
You want some porridge?
yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. You wanna come with me? Okay. I'm too big. She will go say.
I'm gonna take her up for you.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Mommy, I'm going to go.
Alright, come down off the bed.
No, I said it.
You gonna
Well,
help me?
yeah. That can.
Mix her for your love first as I put it on. Let's not do that, okay?
Mommy,
Yes, Kirani.
look, you step on it.
Oh no. Sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're looking at the number box?
I think that's what she's looking at. She likes the bright colors. Alright, okay, nobody with no fussing. Nobody with no
Red.
fussing.
Oh, that's not red.
What is it? Of course it's red. You're being silly.
Oh, yeah. But there's no white. Sleep. You have to sit down.
Sure, that's not to take to school. Lunch bag. Your brother saying good morning.
Good morning.
Apple or fruit or island punch?
Yeah, one.
No, one snack. Which juice? Apple or island punch?
No, that one.
Alright, hold on. And then, hold on, I go get there. I go get the,
Sit down on the table.
Kieran, you want lemon?
Okay.
Which one of them do you want? Almond?
That one?
Vanilla? Okay. Vanilla. I still bring it to the table. Put that in the range bag. I'm gonna get some water. Do you want tea? Should I send apple to school? You haven't been eating the apple. Should I put...
Dad, sit down too.
I want you to sit at the table and come. You want apple?
Yeah.
At the table? Oh. Stay around it where she can't see you. Just open my card, okay? I'm gonna put the rest in the lunch bag, okay? Nice. You wanna sit down at the table? Alright, good girl. Let's not bring the porridge.
One more time.
One more time for one.
Wait out!
Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
Yeah. Got it.
One,
What's wrong? Got you.
two, three, four.
Good. I don't.
Winky, Dipsy, Lala, Ho. Teletubbies, say hello.
see too? No, on the TV. Wow. Stop shouting like me, Mommy. Stop shouting
Would
like
you like me to
Mommy.
turn off the TV?
Mm-mm. I
Come
said
around.
no. I said stop it. No, I had to put it on. I had to put it on.
Kieran, come around here now. Come around this side.
Look, I got it. Oh.
There we go. There we go. There.
One day in Teletubby Land, there was a ringing sound.
What happened? What happened? See your friends?
It was the Tubby phone.
There you go. Got the friends?
Looking at the fence.
Teletubby
Looking at
Friends.
the
answered the phone.
Got your friends? Okay, I'm gonna put on Kieran's clothes now, okay? Okay. So come, okay? You wanna sleep? Just go to sleep. Okay? Nice girl. Don't start, Kelly. The car still move. The car still move. Your car seat is so dirty. Can see her? Alright, so so we dropped off baby boy to school, and little miss is having a fit. She fell asleep once I put her in the car. Once I took the car seat up from in the living room, she started falling asleep, and she fell asleep and she slept the whole way here. When we got almost to the school gate, she started to startle. I don't know what it is. Like she just knows that we're there. And then once I open the doors, once I unlock the car doors, what happened? Once I unlock the doors, that noise, I guess, just seals the deal. So she started to cry right away. I let him give her her passy before he left out of the car. But she was just, when I came back to the car, she was crying. So clearly she didn't keep the passy in her mouth. So I stopped to let her nurse to calm down for a little bit. And on my way here, I realized that I left the comforter, because the whole point of rolling the comforter like I did is I wanted to take it to the laundromat. Usually I wash it myself, but I can't be bothered to try and struggle with it outside to get it on the line, because I have to get it across 3 of the lines and a part of the bar that supports the line, because it's so heavy. If I put it on a line, it's probably gonna tear it down. So I tried to throw it across all 3 lines, and then a part of it goes over the bar that supports the lines. I've put it on top of the shed a couple times too, probably 2 times already. I put it on top of the shed, but it's a very labor intensive task, so I was looking forward to doing that. So I wanted to drop it off in the morning so that I could pick it up in the evening when I'm getting in from school, but here we are, so that we could have it tonight. But here we are. So I guess I'll bring it up when I'm going to pick him up from school later. I'm just gonna nurse Miss Ma'am. It is 8:19 a.m. Her eyes are wide open. I don't think there's gonna be any. I was hoping she would start nursing and fall asleep, one of those type of things, and I could put her back in the car seat. But her eyes are wide open. But we'll see. I'll sit here for a minute or 2. Or not a minute or 2. Like, I'll sit here for 15 minutes tops, and then we're going. Alexa, turn on ceiling fan. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, okay, 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 okay. Alright, 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 alright. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alexa, play notification.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Your subscribe and save order, including baby wipes, baby cologne, and Mommy's Bliss hydration drink tablets is shipping soon. You can make changes until January 23rd. Just go to Amazon, open the menu, and find subscribe and save.
Okay, Alexa. Little Miss is sleeping now. I had to put down the puppy in the pack and play along her back, kind of to let her feel like there's somebody holding her or she's resting against my hand. So that seems to be working for right now. And the washer is done, so I need to go and put the sheets out. I'm doing a blog post for a client that I haven't done any blog post for him in weeks. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things for him. This is the only writing client that I have right now, and I need to increase this because I'm not used to having just one client for so long, and he just needs one blog post per week. So this is kind of my freelance writing I've been doing since 2010, and it's always had its ups and downs, but the downs are usually not this long. But boy, this one's stretching out for a while now. But I'm hoping for better days when it comes to writing. But it's now 10 o'clock. I still haven't eaten anything. I haven't made any tea or anything either. So I'm gonna make some tea, but I'm going to turn on I'm gonna turn on the stove, heat the water up, and start putting the clothes on the line. And then I'll come back to this. So hopefully she stays out asleep, not awake, asleep for at least 2 hours. That way I can put the stuff out. I can make something to eat when I come back in from outside, and I can also tidy up in here. Take up all the stuff that's left from getting boy already this morning, and also I need to put bedding on my bed. So if she gives me a 2 hour stretch, I should be able to do all of that, and you guys get to come along with me. Let's see what happens. Guys, it's 11:59. She woke up for a little bit, but she fell back asleep. I nursed her and she fell back to sleep in my lap on the boppy. So I just scooped her up in the breastfeeding pillow and just put her down in the pack and play like that. And she's still in there sleeping, so I was able to get a shower. And now I'm gonna grab my water, and I just took my bottle up from last night. So I haven't had any water since morning, just the tea is the only food I've had this morning. And I was just drinking out what's left of it. What's left up from yesterday. So I can refill it. And I still haven't started pumping yet. Alright, so let me just start this before I start doing anything else. The battery on this kind of looks like it's like probably, I think this is probably like the only pump I'll get out of the battery. It's on stimulation at level 2 now, and I've started to see droplets. Hopefully we can get a decent amount. Alright, let me wash up. Oh, I need to bring wash up the few dishes that I used. The few stuff that I used to make my breakfast. I need to wash those up. I need to go live today. It's 12:02. I'm gonna try and go live in the evenings, cause I don't know, like the morning is just, before I know it, it's 12 o'clock and I haven't gotten anything done.
This is Andrew's fault.
Agreed. The bourbon means to bear some responsibility.
Seriously. He was. Let's chalk it up to Andrew screwed us, so we screwed each other. That's. I gotta get going.
I feel like
Covering the ER today.
Oh, before Christmas. Gonna be a madhouse. Yeah.
I just changed her diaper. She had a puppy diaper, and she slept through the whole change. So I'm guessing that she just wanted to poop, cause she was earlier when she was napping. She was restless, cause I heard her a couple times and thought she woke up, but she didn't. She was just moving and making noise. So I need to empty her diaper pail, cause no more diapers can fit in there. But I'm gonna take it out since she's asleep. Where I changed her, I just turned the fan on and left her. I'm gonna empty that and then stuff a small bullet in my mouth, and I only got 1 ounce. only got 1 ounce. That is sad. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge like this and then try to pump some more later. But then again, I haven't had anything to drink all morning except the tea, so I need to fill my water bottle because I didn't do that because she woke up right after I finished washing the dishes. I didn't even finish washing the dishes. I was like, I think I had like 2 items left. So let me do the diaper pail, get the water, and then it's time to go pick up baby boy anyway. So I'm gonna need to put her in the car seat, but at least since she's sleeping peacefully, I'm just gonna leave her to do what I'm doing, or else I know. Oh, I wanted to take this. I'm gonna empty this out into a bag, and then I'm gonna take this on the way and pump my left boob, and see if we can get anything out of that. The battery didn't die, so I can probably get 1 more pump out of it. It does 30-minute pumps, so let's see about that. And she's awake, so I was leaking, so I'm gonna put one of these in my bra as well before I start pumping from this. They're pretty simple. It's just a shell and a silicone cover. Just snap that over my booby and it will catch any letdown that comes out of this one while I am pumping. And this is actually this is a regular bralette from Timo or Shein, but it usually holds them in nicely. Might not hold it nicely now because I'm gonna be walking, but so it's on level 2 and it's on stimulating now, and then after a while it's gonna start do whatever that is. TMI, these are diapers from last night and this morning that couldn't fit in the diaper pail because it's full. Shame. It's so heavy. I had let down. Why am I not know? I think I probably need to use my nursing bra with these because I had let down just now. I expect. I think I need to wear a nursing bra or maybe put this all the way under here. Maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. I feel like it might go to place. Let's see. Wash my hands. So that is like a week of diapers. Usually I change it on a Friday, but I did not change that on Friday. And today is Monday. Wash my hands. gonna start the car first so it can cool down, and then I'm gonna start the car. Fill my water also. I want to eat Apollo because I'm not hungry, but I feel like I need to eat something sweet. I feel like I need food for my milk. Yeah. We are home. The cushions never went out this morning. This child is not drinking any of his water. I don't know. At the other school, he would drink off his water, and actually I used to send this and then they asked for more water because he was drinking it off early before, and then that's when we got the bigger bottle, but I realized he's not drinking it, so I started giving him this. This don't look like he's had any water all morning. Probably 2 mouthfuls. I don't know. She's gonna cry again. And he didn't eat the rest of his apples from this morning. I'm coming.
Mommy, she want milk.
You want milk?
Yeah, she want milk.
Alright, I'm gonna come and get her to give her her milk.
Kelly. Red?
You're gonna make her face red?
Yeah, sure.
Can we make her face something another color like brown? Make her face brown. Make her clothes red. You can make her clothes red.
Okay.
So make her blouse red.
What is? Yes. There's too much to do.
Her clothes, her clothes, her clothes, her blouse. Make her blouse red. Good job. Take your time and stay in the lines.
I did it.
All of it.
No, that one. 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 carrots. Good job. What color are you going to color the carrots?
Orange.
All right, color the carrots. Remember to leave the leaves to color them green. Okay.
Yes.
You're back to coloring the mangoes. Good job. Finish coloring the mangoes.
Oh.
Okay, these mango leaves are orange. Good stuff.